everyone, this is MAREE Kinder, founder of Beauty and Soul. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of introducing our latest travel kit. So for those of you that don't know, for the last few years, usually every season, we curate a little travel kit. This is a canvas bag made in collaboration with Bags of Ethics, and yeah, it is chock full of some of my favorite deluxe size products. So perfect for a staycation, an upcoming trip, or if you just want to have a go and try some new products. Now, most of these sizes are deluxe size, so about 30 mils to 50 mils. So they do last for about 2 to 3 weeks, which gives you a kind of good testing period, or perfect for a trip. So yeah, I'm really excited to bring this one back. We sold out of our last one quite quickly, and then so many people asked on Instagram when we were getting a new one in. So yeah, let's have a look and see what's in this one. So the first product doesn't really need much of an introduction. This is the Haymanshaw Clean Balm. It's one of our best sellers. This size is actually 50 ml, so this tub will actually last you for, I would say, a couple months. It also comes with a handy little spatula, like the full size, and this you can use to take a scoop out of the balm. It means that you're not using your fingers, which means that it's just more hygienic, so you're not putting bacteria directly into the product. But yeah, this is a first cleanser, an oil cleanser. You massage onto dry skin, so with the spatula, take a scoop, massage gently for about 10-20 seconds, and then you'll see all of your makeup dissolve. This will remove sun cream, excess sweat, dust, bacteria that kind of sits on your skin throughout the day and accumulates, as well as makeup. Even gets rid of eyeliner, mascara, etc. This is also vegan formulation, and yeah, just such a good product. And I think previously for our travel bags, we've only included a tiny little tub, which probably only lasted for 2 or 3 cleansers. So at least this one is such a good size that you can take away with you for potentially a 2-3 week trip. And yeah, one thing to keep in mind is when you massage it in, then wet your hands under the tap, and then also make sure that you emulsify. That will ensure that everything is breaking down, such as makeup, sun cream, etc., that I just mentioned, and then you can rinse off. And this one will not leave your skin feeling dry. You know, sometimes after cleansing you can feel like the moisture's been stripped out of your skin. Using an oil cleanser really helped balance out the oil levels on my skin, and this is just a tried and true classic. Next up is the Saurus Time is Running Out Mist. This is 30 mils. This is packed with 78% organic fruit water, so depending on the season, they will either use plum or yuja, which is an Asian citrus fruit. And as you can see, it's a biphase mist, so if you shake it up, the oil will infuse with the formula. You could either use this on the go if you need a little bit of hydration, or you can use it in place as a toner just for a quick routine. The biphase means that there is a tiny little oil layer which is sat on the top, and that includes sunflower, jojoba and macadamia oil, so all super nourishing. Don't think that it's going to be sticky or heavy on the skin, it really isn't. The dispenser as well is super fine, so the mist is really fine. Don't think that you're going to be splashing oil droplets all over your face, and it just has a really nice soothing and relaxing scent. I absolutely love it. The 30 ml actually lasts quite a long time as well. I like to pop one of these in my handbag or keep one on my desk just to give myself a little bit of a refresher throughout the day. Next up is the Mild Foam Cleanser from the Vegan Glow. This is a super gentle second cleanser, great for sensitive skin. It is free from fragrance, it's low pH as well, so pH of 5.5, which you should look at because it is the optimal pH for your skin, so it doesn't disrupt your skin's natural barrier. As the name suggests, mild foam, so it does foam up a little bit, but not so much as you would expect from a high pH cleanser, which would dry out your skin and potentially damage your skin barrier. This is a really great one. I took this one with me when I went to Mallorca, and it was just really soothing after a hot day, and yet really effective. I think some people get a bit concerned about mild cleansers and that it might not be as effective because they like to have that feeling of, oh, I feel really clean and it's got rid of everything. But honestly, this one will do that, and it will work with a whole host of skin types as well. Another product from Isntree, just because I love Isntree. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Water Essence, and this again is in, what is it, 20 mils, 15 mils. And I just love the cute little pipette. It's just so cute. But as you can see, the consistency isn't like how we would think of an essence. I would say this one is more like a serum. I certainly use it as if it was a serum. It's highly moisturizing. It contains 8 types of hyaluronic acid that work on the different layers of your skin, meaning that it's helping to retain moisture in the skin, but also preventing any moisture loss from the skin as well. It is completely fragrance free, really soothing. It does absorb really nicely as well, and if you're wanting to achieve that glowy kind of choc look, then this product is really great. They also have a toner in the same range as well, the hyaluronic acid toner, and also the hyaluronic acid plus, which is slightly thicker and even more nourishing, so suitable for dry skin. But I know a lot of people really love this one, and this was one of the products in our advent calendar last year that a lot of people had such positive feedback for. It's also a really good one if you have impaired your skin barrier and are looking to strengthen it up again. So yeah, just another fantastic product. Next, we do have a serum. So this is the Jumiso Super Soothing Cica and Aloe Serum. This is a 5 ml. Again, it's just so cute with the little pipette. For those of you that saw my video on how I repaired my damaged skin barrier, I used an acid mask. I'm not going to say which product it was, but it completely destroyed my skin, and I then documented the process of how I recovered from it. I used this serum, aloe, centella. It just sounds so soothing, right? And I do put down the fact that I was able to repair it within a week down to this. Again, fragrance free, super soothing, really good at reducing redness. I'm really prone to redness on my cheeks, and this just like helps balance it out. And I also thought if anyone is going abroad anywhere warm, then, you know, aloe vibes, that would help soothe any redness or sunburn, although I really hope that you are wearing sun protection and not getting sunburn. But even as we go into the cooler months, then aloe is a really great hydrating ingredient as well. So this one contains 41% Centella asiatica and also 31% of aloe, and it also has a matching moisturizer, which is the Teca Solution moisturizer in the same range, which is also a really good option. So moving on to moisturizers, I've actually included 2 moisturizers to give you the option. So I've included one which potentially is more suited to combination oilier skin types, or if you're just wanting a lightweight moisturizer for the day. So this is the Benton Alloy Gel. This one contains 80% of aloe vera and also propolis, which again is another really great anti-inflammatory ingredient. This one is 30 mils, I believe. Yeah. And then we have a, how many mils is this? 12 ml of the Centella Unscented Recovery Cream from Purito. So unscented meaning that it doesn't have any essential oils. There is another version of this which does contain essential oils. So this one is going to be a really great option for sensitive skin. It is a cream and it is very nourishing. It is slightly thicker, obviously, than gel creams, but it still doesn't leave any stickiness and absorbs into the skin relatively quickly. But I included this one as I thought potentially people with dry skin types could use it, or what I like to do is apply a more nourishing cream to my cheeks, or if you wanted to use it during the evening as a night cream. So this one contains Centella asiatica, obviously 50% of Centella, but also manicatic acid, asiatic acid, and also ceramides as well. So super nourishing, super good, super strengthening for your skin barrier as well. And this one's also vegan. And then finally, I've just included these two as these are really good for travel. The first up is from a brand called Clavu. We actually don't stock Clavu, but they kindly gifted these pads, which I thought would be nice to include in the travel bag. So this is their Pure Pearlization pH Balancing Quick Cleansing Pad. And I have a stash of these in my gym bag, just that after I've sweated so much after a workout, I like to just give my face a quick clean, slap on some SPF while I walk home. You could also use this if you just wanted to have a quick cleanse in the morning, or when we can kind of travel again on the airplane and do our elaborate airplane routines, hopefully a time when we don't have to wear our masks, then you could also just bring these on board. They're just really simple and easy to have. I've also got a few of these in my handbag because I don't know about anyone else, but I really don't like wearing makeup and then my mask. So what I usually do is I will wear my mask and no makeup to go to my meeting or appointment. I'll do my makeup when I'm there, and then before I get back on the tube home, I actually will quickly cleanse my face with this and then slap on some moisturizer and sun cream and then come home. It's a bit extra, I just really don't like the feeling of makeup under my mask, so these are really handy. And then also the Cosrx One Step Original Clear Pad. This one contains a small percentage of BHA, which is a chemical exfoliant and acid, to help gently break down any impurities that are in your pores. So I like to use this as a toner or a quick cleanse, again the same as this one. But yeah, I just think these individually packaged ones are just quite handy for traveling. So yeah, these are included as well. I really hope the lighting has been okay in this video. I'm currently shooting upstairs in our attic because I think it has the best lighting because we've got a skylight here, but it's actually 30 degrees today. The UK is having a bit of a heat wave, so I'm really hot and I can see that the lighting keeps changing, so I hope it's been okay. But that is it, and that is what is included in our latest travel kit. I'll link the description and a link to where you can purchase on Beauty and Soul in the description box, so please do check it out. If you've enjoyed this video and if you like miniature skincare like I do, please give this a like and comment down below which product that you'd be most excited to try, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!